Hi friends, welcome to learning English vocabulary once again in lesson number 7. As you know, our lessons are very useful for kids, students, parents, teachers and all workers. We are giving and providing you words with meanings, spellings, pronunciations in multiple languages. Same as before, words are starting in this video with letter A, and let's have a look on the words. The first word is adjunct, mean things added to more important. mulhikat. Abjure, mean reject, renounce. Two meanings: توبہ کرنا, منسوخ کرنا. Adjust, mean arrange, modify, alter, regulate, tartib lagana. Four meanings in English. Administer, mean look after. Second one is take care of. Intizam, chalana. Admire, mean look upon with wonder, and the second meaning is praise, sarahna. Admit, mean allow to enter. The second meaning is confess, dakhil karna. Admix, mean mix with something else. Amezish. Adobe, mean sun-dried brick house and heavy clay used in making bricks, kacha makan. Adonis, mean beautiful youth, attractive person. Uthti, jawani. Adore, mean love, respect, honor, pasand karna. So many meanings. Adorn, mean make beautiful, decorate, furnish, sajana. Adrenal, mean beside the kidneys, qalbi hudud. This is a part of a body. Adrift, mean not under control, wrong, inaccurate, by maqsad. Adroit, mean skillful, quick, clever, hoshyar. Affluent, mean rich, wealthy, money in abundance. Amir, maldar. These are the words. I hope you are enjoying these lessons and learning very easily. If you like the video, please share it. Share with your friends and family. Like it. Click the bell icon to get the new videos in time. Good luck. Take care. Take a very good care of you. Goodbye.